Hi children, so today we are going to mark the question answers in this videos. Okay, so first question is define full employment. So take page number 37. So in page number 37, you have full employment refers to a situation. Okay, from here you have actually the question is define full employment. So define nale enna definitions. Okay, so here you have two definition, one is given by Kenneth and one is learner. Okay, so either this or this you can write. So this will be your first answer, or this from here till here. Okay, so this will be your first answer. So you can see Kenneth defines full employment as the absence of involuntary unemployment. Okay, so unemployment எங்க absent இருக்கோ அதுதான் full employment அப்படின்னு Kenneth சொல்றாரு. Learner defines full employment as that level of employment at which any further increase in spending would result in an inflationary spiral of wages and prices. Okay, so you have two definitions, so you can write either one. This is your first answer. So let us see the next one. So your next question is, what is the main feature of rural unemployment? So rural unemployment oda feature enna? So for this your answer is in the page number 38. Okay, so page number 38, take page number 38. So here you have an answer in page number 38. Mark it from here. The major feature of rural unemployment is the existence of unemployment in the form of discussed unemployment and seasonal unemployment. So till this your answer. Okay, so another rendu point da major feature of rural unemployment அப்படினு என்னன்னா is the existence of unemployment. ரெண்டு ஃபார்ம்ல, ஒன்னு discussed unemployment, இன்னொன்னு என்னது seasonal unemployment. Okay, so now let us move on to your third question. So your third question is, give short note on frictional unemployment. So this is in the page number 39. Okay, so take page number 39. So here you have frictional unemployment. So the third answer arises due to imbalance between supply of labor and demand for labor. அதாவது டிமாண்டும் சப்ளையும் லேபர் வந்து பேலன்ஸாக இல்லாமல் இம்பேலன்ஸாக இருக்கிறது ஒரு ரீசன். ஓகே, ஸோ அதே மாதிரி என்னது the persons who lose jobs and in search of jobs are also included under frictional. So these 2 points will come under frictional unemployment. Okay, let us move on to the next question. So your fourth question is, give reasons for labor retrenchment at present situation. So this question I will mark it later. So let us move on to the fifth question. List out the assumptions of Say's law. List out the assumptions of Say's law. So take page number 41. So in this you have nearly 11 points. Write either 2 or 3 points is enough. Okay, so you have from here till 11 points you have. So you can write either first 2 point or these 2 points. Okay, and this is also easy, so write 3 points, that is enough. Okay, so now let us move on to the next question. So your next question is, what is effective demand? So what is effective demand? Take page number 42. So you can mark it from here. Effective demand. So this is your sixth answer. Effective demand denotes money actually spent by the people on products of industry. Okay, so this is your effective demand. And therefore effective demand equals national income. This point also can be included. Let us move on to your last question. So your last question is, what are the components of aggregate supply? So components of aggregate supply, take page number 44. So aggregate consumption expenditure, from here till here, your seventh answer. Okay, write aggregate beside consumption expenditure, aggregate private savings, then net tax payments, okay, and personal desired transfer payments in the foreigners to the foreigners. Okay, so that's all your short answers over. So one answer is pending. I will give it. So here you have